हार्ट अटैक्स बिफोर 30 पहले ये बहुत रेयर सुनने को मिलता था, बट नाउ इट्स इंक्रीजिंग सिग्निफिकेंटली among younger adults. So recent cardiovascular reports and Indian studies are showing that Indians are developing heart diseases 8 to 10 years earlier than other Western countries. But the concerning part is they don't even look unhealthy. Some of them are working professionals, कुछ लोग जिम भी जाते हैं regularly, some are doing yoga on regular basis, some of them are in their late 20s and early 30s. Recently, AIMS related reports discussing sudden deaths in younger population have also highlighted the cardiovascular diseases as the major cause of deaths under 45 age group. Now, most of you people think that heart disease is not cholesterol, but cholesterol is not the only factor. Modern heart diseases is now strongly related with chronic BP, visceral fat, fatty liver, poor sleep cycle, insulin resistance, inflammation inside the body, then smoking and nicotine exposure. Before the major symptoms occur, the physiological changes have been occurring since years, which 90% of people are ignoring nowadays. That's why suddenly they feel that how it happens, how it is possible to heart attack. No, the physiology inside the body is changing since long back, which you have ignored. Many younger adults today already have abdominal obesity, low stamina, high resting heart rate, and metabolic dysfunction. But in routine life, we keep on ignoring these symptoms. That's why regular monitoring is becoming very important now. Not only cholesterol, but you should also check blood pressure, waist circumference, blood sugar level, stress level, your fitness level, and metabolic dysfunctions. And your sleep quality is also an important factor because many lifestyle diseases start silently, which we should not ignore to get a healthy life. So heart disease is no more an age related disease. So improve your daily life to get rid of all these diseases. And still, if you need a broad clarification, kindly comment heart health and I will share you the article and follow for more.